my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look right here. To create this look, I did use, of course, the Kathleen Lights times ColourPop Dream Street. I honestly love this palette. This is like my go-to. Also, I do want to create so many different looks with these shadows. This is why I'm doing so many different tutorials on this palette, because it's so inexpensive and you can create so many looks with this. Hopefully you want to see how I create this look, so if you do, just keep on watching. To start off, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in Light Ivory. This is the only time I use this concealer is to prime my lids. I never use it to conceal under my eyes. I don't know why, but this is a great concealer to prime your lids and it's so inexpensive. Now to set my eyelids, I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. And I love this powder because it's so inexpensive and you get so much for your buck. Just that you can't go wrong with it. I'm so sorry that I'm continuously using this palette, but I love this palette. It's my go-to. So like, again, I'm sorry, but it's so inexpensive and it's just like my go-to. So the eyeshadow that I'm using is called Potion, and I'm applying this in my crease and my outer corner as well as my inner corner. This is like the main shadow, and I'm going to do a halo effect. Now with any eyeshadow look, no matter what, if it's bold or simple, the main thing to do is always blend. That's the only thing that makes it time consuming, because you have to blend so much so it won't look harsh or patchy. So that's what I'm doing here. You see me going back and forth a lot. Now I'm going back into the palette and I'm using Kaleidoscope for the middle of my lid, you know, that had like a little space. And this eyeshadow I love. I'm always using it for my inner corner, but I wanted to use it for my lid to see how intense it looks, and it looks so beautiful on the lid. I can't. But now what I'm doing is going back and forth so I can like diffuse the edges so it can look seamless and not like so harsh. And with a brush that has no product on it, I'm just going back and forth to diffuse everything and just blend out my eyeshadow in the crease. Going back into the palette, and I'm using Mooney to highlight my brow bone, and this is the best highlight for the brow bone. It just looks so beautiful. I just love it. No complaints at all. Starting with the face, finally, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light Ivory. And I'm not going to use any foundation. I just want something light and quick to do. And I'm not going to set my under eyes as well because I want to look dewy. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm using the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette in Afterglow. That's what the highlight is called. And I'm actually using it not just on my cheekbone, I'm using it everywhere because this is such a natural highlight. I just love it. I use it on a day-to-day basis. Like when I do apply some makeup, this is my go-to highlight because it looks so natural on the skin. Now for bronze, of course, I'm using my NYC City Proof Up to 10 Hour Bronzing Face Powder in Sunny. This is my go-to. I just love it. I can't say no more. I'm gonna keep on talking about it. Now to contour to contour my nose, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. You know, just to contour it a little bit. Now I'm just taking a brush and I'm just blending out the contour for my nose so it won't look so harsh and noticeable. For blush, I'm using the Balm Springs Long Wearing Blush from The Balm. This is like a subtle blush, nothing too crazy. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I will be using the mascara from Tarte, the Tarte's Lash Paint. I honestly love this mascara. It's really nice, and I honestly don't have to use falsies because my lashes look nice just with the mascara. I always have my mouth open when I'm doing mascara. It's so weird. For eyeliner, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Provision. I love this eyeliner. It just glides on so well. Then for lip liner, I'm using the Star Looks from BoxyCharm. Yeah, and it's this Charmed Ultra Long Wearing Lip Pencil. Oh my god, lip wear. And after that, on top, I'm going to use the Ultra Glossy Lip by Kathleen Light and ColourPop in Moonchild. Well, that concludes my video. I feel like this look was really easy. If you have to go out somewhere and you don't want to do something crazy and like that will take really long, this would be really great to do. Well, with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more of me, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Yeah, I was going for the metaphor.
Yes, and I was saying the actual words. All right, I'll sleep with my girlfriend. I'm just doing it for you guys.